Alright, Internet, we gotta make this one quick today. Superman's calling me. He needs my help with something again. We have got a hot, steamy, idiomatic language follow-up again for you today. Do you remember confident? Well, how about if someone is a little too confident or overconfident? They are full of themselves. Uh-oh, this has a little bit of tricky grammar in there, okay? There's a reflexive object pronoun, themselves. We could put other reflexive object pronouns, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, themselves, ourselves. Ugh. Look, James, it's good to be confident, but Superman needs your help. Don't be full of yourself. I'm hurt. So being full of yourself means you're way overestimating your abilities or your value. It's not good. Example, my boss is full of himself. I swear he talks just to hear himself speak. Or, look, Sarah knows what she's doing. She's not full of herself, it's just confident. You tell him. Please come give us a comment. Come on, guys.